Then next, please. Next slide is on Palle Panduga, sir. Palle Panduga is like the brainchild of our Deputy Chief Minister, and it has brought the entire material-intensive works as per our priority to develop the villages under a single umbrella of activities, sir, which is nothing but a bouquet of prioritized activities consisting of CC roads, BT roads, WBM roads, and things like Gokulams, that is cattle, etc., sir. The progress under Palle Panduga has been quite good at the moment. There is no issue of work grounding. Works have been grounded almost 10%, sir, 91%. And payment also is happening in real time. For the wages, sir, for the Narega wage seekers, we are up to date on payment on a daily basis. And for the material component, sir, we are paying on a weekly basis, and we are also up to date on the payment for material component. So there is no complaint from any district collectors. If it is there, they can bring it up now, sir. The idea is that as collectors already have been told in the personal BC by the Deputy Chief Minister, we have to inaugurate all these Palle Panduga works by Sankranti. So kindly keep up with the pace of the work and ensure that by Sankranti festival we are ready to inaugurate, if not 100%, at least 90% of the works should be ready for inauguration by Sankranti. The progress here, sir, what is the work so far completed appears to be low, 14% and 9%. That is because, sir, many of the works are basically at the stage of curing, sir, especially CC roads and all. If curing stage lo unnai, a curing stage aipoyin tarvata appudu bills will be uploaded, sir, and paid. Enough money also is available with us to take care of all these bills. Therefore, collectors are requested to focus on completion of Palle Panduga works by Sankranti, sir.
Next, Panchayat Raj.
And district collectors ki kavalsina request basically already I have covered in my previous presentation, sir. So I will just reiterate that now, sir. So that is the end of Narega, sir, presentation. Then Panchayat Raj, sir, from the next slide, number 15. Panchayat Raj, sir, we have got three or four happy news to report after the last collectors conference. First is on 23rd of August, the entire state went for conducting Gram Sabha in all the 13,326 Gram Panchayats on a single day, sir, which was recognized subsequently as a world record. This is a very important